Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you a story, The Gift of Magi, or we can say Magi, written by O. Henry. The Gift of Magi is a story of love related to common run of man. The author began writing while serving a prison sentence. He wrote more than 300 stories which are collected in volumes like Cobbler and King, The 4 Million, and The Voice of the City. He deals vividly with the life of city people in the lower society of whom he shows great sympathy and understanding, having spent much of his life with them, noted for their blending of humor and pathos. O. Henry's stories are remarkable for the ingenious twist of a surprise ending. He is regarded as one of the great masters of the modern short stories. The story is the most one of the most celebrated works of O. Henry. It narrates a strange incident of life of a poor young couple. The wife sells her most precious possession, her beautiful hair, to buy a gold chain for her husband's gold watch, while the husband sells the gold watch, his very important possession, to buy a set of combs for his wife's hair. These are their Christmas gifts for each other, which show their deep love and concern for each other. The theme of the story is related to hopes and fears and love and labor of the common run of man. The author wants to convey us that the depth of true love of the common run of man is beyond description. They can sacrifice even their lives for the sake of each other. Here in this story, a young man of 22 years lived with his wife Della, the beautiful lady, at a house rented for temporary stay. Della had to face the miseries of life to run the home, while Jim would work to earn money as some common man does. By efforts and careful saving, Della collected £1 and 87 cents to buy a gift for Jim. But it was not enough, so she began to weep as a poor woman did. Somehow she collected herself and decided to get her hair cut to get the required money to buy a beautiful gift. On the other hand, Jim was also thinking in the same way. He wanted to buy a gift for his wife. When he returned home, Della told him that she had got her hair cut and brought a beautiful gift for him. It was the moment of wonder for him. He threw the bundle of package on the table. Della found that there were beautiful combs in it. She had got these combs as a gift, but she had no hair for their use for the time. Somehow she recovered and offered her gift to Jim. It was a beautiful gold chain for Jim's gold watch. When she asked to give her the watch, Jim told her that he has no watch with him because it had been sold to buy combs for her. Now he had beautiful chain but no watch to wear on. In this way, the both became magi. The magi who gave blessings at the time of the Christ's birth. They appeared in the same way they became magi. This short story of human sympathy deals with a significant title related to the birth of the Lord Christ. It is said that at the particular moment of the birth of Lord Christ, nature played an important function. What was that function? It was a bright star, the symbol of knowledge, appeared in the sky. A white or the symbol of peace and progress ran through the origin, and three men, the symbol of religion, wit, and gods, came to offer the gift to the infant. The gift from those wise men were a token of wisdom, purity, and love for further life. Here, Jim, the husband, and Della, the wife, give their Christmas gifts to each other as a symbol of their love. So, their gifts became the gift of Magi. So, the love story, a beautiful love story, is very well written by the author. This story is not a teenager's passionate love story, but a story of poor young couple of everyday life. Here in this fictional story, we are told that poverty enriches it more and more. Poverty enriches love more and more. It happens with both Della and Jim. Jim earned $20 only, and it is hard for Della to make both ends meet. But she is never complaining. Both are happy bearing the due burnt of poverty. It is their true love that forces them to derive joy even through sufferings. Their sacrifices, we are told about them, and the purpose behind their sacrifices were that they were loving themselves, they were loving each other from the deep corner of their hearts. The very quality of the poor men make them differ and great from the mob of the rich. Della tries her best to save money to give a beautiful gift to Jim on Christmas, but she had only $1.87. From such a little money, how she can buy what she wants? She bewails and even she became restless. But she succeeds to find out a way to get money. She sacrifices her hair for her husband, who is dearer than the dearest. While Jim, also in a great trouble, and sacrificed his gold watch to buy beautiful combs for Della's long hair. So, in this way, we see O. Henry's story takes of moral education, but they entertain the readers their because of their animated description of life of common run of men. The very story, with its fast pace, different scenes, and surprising ending, succeeds to make journey in the hearts of readers. Without any effort, brevity has also been exercised. Otherwise, the tale is so interesting that can complete almost more than 200 pages. The story of O. Henry related to Della and Jim is a lifelike story. It's a story of daily routine of every young couple who loves each other. So thank you. This is all about the story. Thank you. I am Raman Gupta.